Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of modern architecture and design. In today's video, we will be diving into the captivating world of exterior modern house models. We have handpicked something stunning design to inspire your own dream home. So let's get started. First up, we have the contemporary cube design. These architectural style features clean lines, geometric shapes, and a minimalist aesthetic. The exterior showcase large windows, allowing ample natural light to flood the interior space. The use of neutral tones such as whites and grays create a sleek and sophisticated look. Next, we on to the modern farmhouse design. This style combines the warmth of traditional farmhouse element with the clean lines and simplicity of modern architecture. It often features a combination of materials such as wood, stone, and metal. The exterior might have a gabled roof, wrap around porch, and charming details like barn style doors. Now, let's explore the striking beauty of the glass house design. This style embraces the transparency and blurs the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. The exterior is predominantly glass, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. It's a perfect choice if you want to create a seamless connection with nature. Moving on, we have the sleek and futuristic design of the modernist style. This architectural approach emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and innovative use of materials. The exterior typically features flat or low-pitched roofs, open floor plans, and in integration of outdoor living space. Bold geometric shape and asymmetrical design are common characteristics. Another remarkable style in the mid-century modern design. This iconic style gained popularity in the mid-20th century and continues to inspire contemporary architecture. The exterior showcased clean lines, expensive windows, and a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor space. It often incorporates natural materials like wood and stone. Let's not forget about the stunning beauty of the desert inspired modern design. This architectural style embraces the unique characteristics of arid landscape. The exterior features earthy tones, sharp angles, and materials like concrete, steel, and stucco. It often incorporates outdoor courtyard and innovative shading techniques to combat the intense desert sun. Lastly, we have the contemporary coastal design. This style captured the essence of beachside living with a modern twist. The exterior showcased light and airy colors such as white, blue, and grey. Large windows and balconies take full advantage of the stunning coastal views. It often incorporates sustainable material and design elements that complement the surrounding environment. Before we wrap up, I had like to invite you to explore more inspiring videos on our channel. We have a treasure trove of architectural wonders, interior design tips, and much more waiting for you. Be sure to check out our other videos by clicking on the playlist in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to fuel your creative aspirations. Dive into our channel and discover a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for being a part of our community. That concludes our journey through these captivating exterior modern house models. We hope you have found inspiration for your own dream home. Let us know in the comments which style resonated with you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more architectural wonders. Thank you for watching and we will see you next time. Remember, your dream home starts with imagination and inspiration. and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.